Hey, relationship explorers! Today we're diving into a book that challenges everything we think we know about marriage. Dr. Miles Monroe's The Purpose and Power of Love and Marriage. If you've ever wondered why marriage seems so hard, or if there's a deeper secret to lasting love, stick around. This book has some answers. I'll give you the core idea first, and then we'll explore a bit more. Marriage is not a human invention. It's a divine institution, according to Monroe. God is the manufacturer of marriage, and this book is his instruction manual. Love, according to Monroe, is not just a feeling, but an act of the will, a choice we make, a commitment we keep. Marriage, on the other hand, is a covenant with God, a vow before him with your spouse as a witness. It's not just a legal contract, it's a sacred bond. If you're looking for a faith-based, purpose-driven approach to marriage and you believe in biblical principles, then this book can be incredibly transformative. But if you're seeking a purely secular or egalitarian perspective, you might want to look elsewhere. Most of our marital struggles, he argues, come from misunderstanding this manual. It challenges conventional views on marriage and offers a hopeful, faith-based perspective. Whether you're married, single, or somewhere in between, this book can help you see the power and purpose of this unique institution. Husbands and wives are not meant to be the same, he argues. They are designed to fulfill specific functions that, when carried out effectively, lead to collective success. If you're looking for a more secular or egalitarian perspective on marriage, you might want to explore other resources as well. It's an eye-opening perspective, especially for those who have bought into the cultural idea of gender equality or who struggle with feeling inadequate in their roles. Marriage, in its original design, is not just about two people in love. It's about a collective assignment, a team with a shared purpose, commitment to the institution of marriage, effective communication, and a deep understanding of your spouse's core needs. This book is incredibly empowering for those who believe in a divine blueprint for relationships, offering hope where traditional counseling might fail. So what does that mean for us? Let's dig a little deeper. In this book, Monroe also delves deep into the distinct designs of men and women, emphasizing our complementary roles. Now let's talk about the keys to success. Monroe's keys are simple, yet powerful. Knowledge of divine principles, not just feelings. However, it's important to remember that this book is written from a traditional Christian perspective, particularly in its views on gender roles. So is this book for you? To conclude, The Purpose and Power of Love and Marriage by Dr. Miles Monroe is a must-read for anyone who believes in a divine blueprint for relationships. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more book reviews and self-improvement tips. Happy reading!